In the depths of verdant swamps and shadowy bogs, a hidden battle unfolds. Carnivorous plants lie in wait, their delicate yet deadly structures poised for a strike. Imagine a sundew, its glistening tendrils shimmering in the sunlight, each droplet a treacherous trap for unsuspecting insects. This world reveals that some plants have evolved into apex predators, challenging our notions of life forms that thrive on sunlight and soil. These extraordinary plants inhabit nutrient-poor environments. Wetlands and bogs become their hunting grounds. Here, acidic peat replaces rich soil, forcing them to trap and digest insects for essential nutrients. This fascinating adaptation is crucial for survival. Carnivorous plants like the Venus Flytrap, sundew, and pitcher plants have evolved over tens of millions of years, a testament to nature's relentless creativity. The Venus Flytrap stands as perhaps the most iconic. Discovered in the 1760s by European botanist John Ellis, this floral predator has captivated the imagination of many. Its jaw-like leaves snap shut in a fraction of a second, showcasing a remarkable reflex that serves as the plant's hunting mechanism. But how do these remarkable plants distinguish prey from non-living matter? The answer lies in their specialized trigger hairs. 2 touches within a certain time frame seal the fate of an unsuspecting fly. This deadly dance of evolution allows these plants to thrive in their harsh habitats, demonstrating how life adapts in the face of adversity. Next, the sundew emerges as a delicate yet lethal contender. With its sticky tentacles, it attracts insects by mimicking dew, appearing like a shimmering jewel among the greenery. Each droplet glistens like a miniature world unto itself, reflecting the sunlight in a dance of colors. When an insect lands, the tentacles curl inward, ensnaring the prey in a sticky embrace. This slow, methodical process illustrates the plant's ability to adapt its hunting strategy. Imagine the soft rustle of leaves as the sundew reacts, embracing its meal in a gentle but inevitable grip. Here, patience and precision converge, showcasing an efficient survival method that has evolved over millions of years. Pitcher plants, with their elegant structures filled with deceptive nectar, entice insects into a watery abyss. The slick walls prevent escape, and inside, enzymes break down the captured prey, allowing nutrient absorption. Many pitcher plants maintain symbiotic relationships with organisms like ants, highlighting the delicate balance of ecosystems. The Trinidadian pitcher plant, for example, provides a home for the mosquito larvae, which, in return, help digest the insect remains within the pitcher's digestive fluids. The cohabitation exemplifies nature's intricate web of interdependence. These traps are intricate systems of survival. Recent research reveals that some carnivorous plants can still photosynthesize, complementing their hunting strategies with energy from the sun. This duality raises profound questions about the adaptability of life. Each species unveils unique hunting strategies, showcasing nature's profound ingenuity. Imagine the tension as a bee buzzes nearby, unaware of the fate that awaits it within the embrace of a carnivorous plant. As we descend into these lush realms, we witness the fierce beauty of the Venus flytrap. Its rapid snap signifies a dramatic end for insects drawn by tantalizing allure. The pitcher plant, with its tubular structure, entraps insects in a rich cocktail of digestive enzymes. Insects that slip into this treacherous liquid succumb slowly, nutrients released into the plant's hungry tissues. As decomposition occurs, the air fills with a musty scent, a reminder of life and death intertwined in this hidden arena. Let us not overlook the sundew, adorned with glistening glandular hairs. Each tiny droplet sparkles, attracting potential prey while ensnaring them with a sticky embrace. This ability to adjust the stickiness of their tentacles based on environmental conditions showcases a remarkable responsiveness to their surroundings. Picture the late afternoon sun casting a warm glow over the dew-laden leaves, illuminating each strand like fine silk. The interplay between carnivorous plants and their environments extends far beyond survival. Each plant contributes to a broader ecological narrative, affecting immediate neighbors and the entire biosphere. Carnivorous plants often enrich the soil, providing vital nutrients to nearby flora. historical observations from the late 19th century revealed that these plants can alter the chemical composition of their surrounding environment, fostering a unique microecosystem where specific species thrive. It was during this time that botanists began to understand the ecological roles of these plants in maintaining the health of wetlands. For instance, in the late 1800s, plant ecologist Henry Charles Beach discovered that certain pitcher plants could improve nutrient availability, thereby supporting a diversity of life around them. The hunting strategies of these plants are influenced by light levels, humidity, and available prey. Emerging research demonstrates that some can sense their environments, adjusting mechanisms accordingly. Imagine a sundew detecting the vibrations of a struggling insect, its tentacles reacting with newfound vigor. This interaction is not merely passive, it is an active engagement, where the plant exhibits a level of awareness to maximize its hunting efficiency. Furthermore, studies show that under conditions of low light, sundews can prioritize their resources, focusing on trapping rather than photosynthesis, showcasing their ability to make life-sustaining decisions based on environmental cues. Carnivorous plants epitomize the relentless pursuit of survival, evolving in response to their habitats. These adaptations influence reproductive cycles and interactions with pollinators. The flowering periods may align with insect population abundance, ensuring life continues uninterrupted. The cyclical nature of these events underlines the importance of timing in the intricate dance of life. For instance, the Venus Flytrap blooms in late spring, coinciding perfectly with the high availability of insects, thus ensuring successful reproduction. The exploration of these botanical wonders beckons us to ponder the connections that bind all living beings. Carnivorous plants invite us to witness the intricate dance of predator and prey. Nature teaches us that even in hostile conditions, life finds a way to flourish. The delicate balance struck between these predators and their environment underscores the resilience of life forms adapted to survival in seemingly inhospitable places. Within these bogs, the air hangs heavy with humidity, the distant croaking of frogs intermixed with the soft rustle of leaves swaying in the breeze. The very atmosphere is thick with life, a testament to the intricate web of ecosystems supported by these remarkable plants. From the leathery leaves of the pitcher plants to the luminous dew droplets of sundews, each element contributes to a symphony of survival. The sounds of life resonate, a chorus of insects, amphibians, and the wind weaving through the dense foliage, setting the stage for a world often overlooked. Yet, as we delve deeper, a revelation surfaces. These botanical predators are not merely hunters, they embody the pinnacle of survival strategies. Many species, like the Venus flytrap and sundew, have evolved to photosynthesize, capturing the sun's energy alongside feasting on insects. Their leaves shimmer in sunlight, luring unsuspecting prey into their grasp. The delicate hairs lining their traps respond to touch in less than a second, highlighting their evolution in scarcity. The remarkable efficiency of these adaptations speaks volumes about the pressures faced by these plants over millennia. Research reveals a complex web of biochemical processes and evolutionary history. Some enzymes produced for digestion also aid in photosynthesis, showcasing a remarkable integration of functions. This fusion of adaptation emphasizes life's relentless capacity to adapt. Exploring the genetic makeup of these plants further uncovers the legacy of their ancestors, which have survived drastic environmental shifts and climatic changes through resourcefulness. The intricate molecular mechanisms behind their adaptation reveal the stories of survival written into their very DNA. The Venus flytrap, for example, has developed a unique genetic profile that enables it to thrive in nutrient-deficient soils while also rapidly capturing prey. Carnivorous plants remind us of biodiversity and the delicate balance that sustains ecosystems. They exemplify how the challenges of a hostile environment can give rise to spectacular adaptations. This journey through their hidden lives invites us to reflect on the broader implications of conservation and the need to protect these unique specimens. With each delicate bloom, these plants reflect the legacy of adaptation and survival in a constantly changing world. However, this balance hangs by a thread. Protecting these plants symbolizes the need for conservation. Their habitats are rapidly disappearing due to human encroachment and climate change. The wetlands, once thriving, now face degradation, threatening not just carnivorous plants but entire ecosystems. The draining of bogs for agriculture and urban development, alongside pollution from nearby industrial activities, puts immense pressure on these fragile ecosystems. The irreplaceable habitats that support these extraordinary plants and countless other species are dwindling. Historical records show that significant portions of wetlands have been lost in the 20th century alone, with estimates suggesting a destruction rate of over 50% in many regions, driven largely by anthropogenic activities. The lessons from these adaptations ripple outward, reflecting broader themes of biodiversity. Each species plays a unique role. The loss of one can affect the entire ecological balance. The extinction of even a single carnivorous plant can reverberate through the ecosystem, altering predator-prey dynamics and nutrient cycles. Thus, we must act to safeguard these ecosystems. Conservation recognizes our interconnectedness with nature. Efforts to protect wetlands not only benefit carnivorous plants but bolster entire communities of plants and animals that call these habitats home. The voices of indigenous communities, who have long understood the importance of these ecosystems, echo through the corridors of conservation. Their wisdom can guide us in nurturing the land. Let us consider the swampy bogs where these extraordinary plants thrive. They serve as microcosms of life, showcasing intricate relationships within. The air is rich and teeming with the buzz of insects, while dragonflies dart above the water's surface. We are charged to protect these wetlands, not just for these plants but for the fragile ecosystems they represent. To neglect this responsibility is to risk losing entire ecosystems rich with life. Historical accounts from the 1960s detailing the loss of sphagnum moss, essential for bog health, illustrate the ramifications of neglect. Each drop of water in these wetlands has a story, and each plant extends a tendril into the intricate web of interdependence. Every conservation effort contributes to understanding the balance that sustains life. As we protect these adaptations, we affirm our commitment to the broader narrative of life itself, a story woven across the tapestry of the planet we call home. This journey illuminates our path forward, calling us to action. The resilience displayed by carnivorous plants inspires a sense of wonder and a call to action that resonates deeply within us.